Hello and welcome to MultiTeach and Lessons Online. Here I'll discuss how to set up MultiTeach to access educational videos and preview video linked lessons. Many teachers plan whole class activities that include watching an educational video on the classroom display. With MultiTeach, the activities can include a class discussion about video themes and content, along with a preview of a variety of video linked lessons the students will receive as Lessons Online assignments. To import the lesson from your computer into MultiTeach, open up the Lessons app and select Import Lesson. The lesson will appear at the top of the lessons list. Press the green play button to open it in full screen mode. Here's how you can set up the display to show a YouTube video along with 3 related lessons for whole class viewing. From the corner menu, select the Zones icon and choose the icon with 4 sections. I'll set up the screen to display 3 YouTube linked lessons I previously imported into the MultiTeach Lessons app, along with the corresponding video, in this case, accessed through the browser app. Select the full screen icon in the corner side menu of the zone playing the video to activate it for full screen mode for whole class viewing. After the video is complete, you could return to the display in zones to give your students a preview of lessons that they will complete on their laptops or other devices in Lessons Online. Any lesson or app in a zone section can be opened and played in full screen mode and returned to its zone. This feature enhances the use of video linked lessons with your students. For your convenience, you can bookmark the videos you plan to use with your students. Another option is to set up the YouTube video for easy access in the Media app. Here you can set up media folders for images, PDFs, and videos related to any instructional unit. Here I'll create a new folder for visual system content. Use the YouTube search box to locate and import a YouTube video into the folder. Selecting the desired video will automatically place it into the folder. Slide the thumbnail of the video to the center screen and play it. Access the side menu and select the Zones icon to put the Media app in zones. This allows you to set up the screen to simultaneously display YouTube linked lessons and other related instructional content. You can use the Nodes app as a concept map to feature educational videos and related learning content in full screen, or as a part of a configuration of apps and video linked lessons using the Zones feature. You can organize educational videos in your YouTube account for future use in the YouTube app in MultiTeach as another option. The YouTube app can be accessed in a zone or in full screen mode. Teachers who plan to send lessons to students will need to set things up in Lessons Online. To access lessons from Lessons Online, use your MultiTeach credentials to sign in. Use the keyword YTLL to search for YouTube linked lessons where you can open them, edit them, and keep them in your My Lessons page in Lessons Online for future use. Further details for setting up Lessons Online for use with students are reviewed in another tutorial. Visit these links for more information about using Lessons Online, the MultiTeach Lessons community, and Snowflake MultiTeach. This has been a tutorial about how to set up MultiTeach to access educational videos and preview video linked lessons.